Hey, what's up, you people? Welcome back to this back at me. How you doing? How you been? I have this 2018 Genesis G80. This is the first generation between 2017 and 2020. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the front brakes. I'm gonna do also the rear brakes. It's crazy. This is a Genesis 2018 and it doesn't have a EPB, electronic parking brake. Believe that. Believe that. But I'm gonna show you how to do the front brakes. I don't wanna make this video too long. If the front brakes procedure is not that long, then I'm gonna put the rear brakes with it. But if the front brakes are too long, the video is too long, I'm gonna do the rear brakes separate. If it's separate, look for the how to do the rear brakes in 2017-2020 Genesis G80. Hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. It's me, Axtuo, Donald Trump of the Pirates. Shout outs to subscribers, viewers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Where would I be without you? Down here, I'm going to put the items, the tools that I'm using for this project. It's up to 30 items. You're going to see like gloves, eye protection, ratchet. That's pretty much it. Let's go. Let's do this like a pro. Don't forget to show your appreciation, gratitude by hitting the super thanks button. It's right here, right here. Here we have 2 screws here. Three screws. 1, 2, 3. That's fine. This is how it looks like. Honda, Kia. Okay. There's 2 bolts, 17, that hold the whole caliper. Let's do this. Come on. All these bolts are the same size. Slip, just remove it just like that. And these other clips. There's another one here. Wiggle this out. Do the same here. The same length. Should be good. There's 2 pistons here, 2 pistons here. That's how it looks like. Okay. This is the clip that is going to tell you when it's time to replace the brake pads. Okay. They're the same length, 17 millimeter, 17 millimeter bolt that hold the whole caliper. I'm gonna remove it just to make it easier because it's on my way to reach the 17 millimeter bolt that hold the caliper. This is 10 millimeter. There's a brake line, right? Just gonna move to the side like that. Which is this tool right here. This one and this one. Okay. This is what it looks like. Two pistons here. Two pistons here. Alright, come off. Brake cleaner. This one is not that bad though. You're gonna align it with this. It's 1, 2, 3. To the right. Here we just put this back. Caliper, you know. This thing goes over there. Put this to the side. One over here, two over here. The same way you remove it, the same way you put it back. No biggie, okay? Brake pads look like this, okay? A little bit of silicone lubricant here. Some here, some. Just so it slide in, you know what I'm saying? Pause. Hey, by the way, tell me how you like this. Gucci, alright? Gucci. Um, These pins have like a hole here, right? Make sure you face it out, okay? So you can put the clip. There you go. I don't see those holes. I'm spinning like this. Right there. Now this clip goes in here. Like that. Okay? I will pull back the plate with 10 millimeter bolts. tied it. Now, time to road test it. Put the tires back, you know what I'm saying? And road test this baby. Of course, don't forget this guy, okay? The 10 millimeter. This is gonna be the rear brakes, alright? Let me show you how it looks like. Two screws over here. Let's see. Nothing unusual. These are 14. These are 17. This is the one that hold the caliper bracket. There's another one over there at the bottom. Okay. Not this one's, okay? This one's. And then this one. The adjuster hole. Okay, there's a rubber right there. So we're Gucci. Look like this. Nothing new. It's not even EPV. Look at that. Okay, 17 for this. You might not have that much space, so same length. Then come off. In there. Just now remove these clips, just like that. The new brake pads comes with the new clips, new hardware. Okay, they sticky. Hit it with the hammer. Right. Brush it. Spray some brake cleaner though. You don't want that. That's Gucci. Make sure these holes align with the this ones. Use this up. Okay. I prefer to do this when it's not mounted, because I don't want to get the lubricant on the rotor, the bracket back. You know, you see how I remove it, right? So just put it back. Same way you remove it, same way you put it back. 17 millimeter. Put the brake pads. Just like the one with the clip. It's gonna go down inside. But you have to hold it together though, because these clips are supposed to push outward the pads, the brake pads. Oh, yeah. 14mm socket. All right, guys, step on the brake pedal. The first time is gonna be like soft, then it's gonna start getting hard, pause, and after that, rotate the car. See if the car makes any type of sound. If it doesn't, you're good. When you rotate the car, go between 30-40 miles per hour. Always obey your town, the city speed limit, okay? And when you brake, when you go between 30-40 miles per hour, brake gradually like this. Do that like 3 times. That's pretty much it. All the tools that I'm using in this project, I'm gonna put it right down here. Okay, it says build product. You have up to 30 items to choose from. Okay, ratchet, wrench, sockets, all that. You're gonna see it down here, and some extra stuff too. Don't forget to show your appreciation, gratitude by hitting the super thanks button down here or down here. Go through that, show your love. You know what I'm talking about. Shout outs to all the subscribers, viewers. What you waiting for? Subscribe now. You want me to reach more people? Hit the share button. Okay. Anything you want to say about this car? Put in the comment box. I want to know. I want to see. I want to know if you like this car, for how long you have it. I'm saying all that. Put it in the comment box. Okay. I'm gonna leave it right here. I hope you like this video. This is Axtuo. I gotta clock out. I don't want to clock out, but I gotta clock out. I like you, boy. Yeah.